here again. Now come back to the class beta and see that now today we are going to start simple equation. Okay, chapter number 6. You know that we generally are having two kinds of statement. Okay, one is simple ordinary statement and one are always mathematical statement. Ordinary statement means tomorrow I am going to Delhi, or you will come to school, or like that. These are simple statement. And what will be the mathematical statement? Like 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. These are mathematical statement. Mathematical statement, further it is classified into two types. Okay, further you can classify into two types of mathematical statement. One is numeric statement and another is algebraic statement. The statement which you have learned, that 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. These are better numeric statement. And algebraic statement means a statement where some variables will be there. Like that 3x plus 4 is equal to 7, or 5y is equal to 10, 9x plus 5 is equal to something, suppose 27 or anything. So these kinds of statement are known as the algebraic statement, because there is one unknown value with them, and this is known as the variable. This is known as the variable, and the variable is means equation of the value is depending on the variables. Now see that what is the meaning of linear expression. Linear expression means a mathematical statement that performs functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can see that 3x plus 4, here addition was there. 9x plus 5, addition form is there. If I will write 3x minus 5, then subtraction form is there. 5y is equal to 10, multiplication form is there. So, and division are known as the linear expression. For example, 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3, 7x plus 5, etc. The value of expression depends upon the value of the variable. Means whatever answer will come, it depends on the variable. Suppose you have 3x plus 9 equation. Now we are coming to the equation. What is the meaning of equation? Equation will have always an equality sign. Equality sign means their left hand side and right hand side will be in, for some value of x, it will come equal. It will come equal. If I will put some value of x, surely I will get 12 on the right hand side. See that if I will put x is equal to 1. Okay, so what will be? 3 into 1 plus 9 is equal to 3 1 ja 3, and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. You can see that na, if left hand side I have put some value of x, what I got? Right hand side I got. So that's why these are balanced for some value of x. And if further, if I will change the value of x, see that x is equal to 2, if I will put, then it will not come equal to the 12. See that 3 into 2 plus 9, 3 2 ja 6, or 6 plus 9, 15 it will come. So you can see that as for the different values of x, right hand side will be changed, but for some value of x it will come equal to 12. It means it is a balanced form. It is a balanced form, and this equality sign, left side of the equality is known as the left hand side, and right side of the equality is known as the right hand side. Okay, this is for, it's a simple introduction of your simple equation. Now come to the exercise beta. Okay, and this simple equation or linear equation form you have aware in class 6th also, because some introduction part was there in class 6th also. Now see that exercise 6.1 beta. Okay, and what is that? In that exercise, 8 added to a number. We don't know beta what is that number. So unknown value, we are always taking some variables, or variable can be x, y, z, u, v, w, a, b, c. It depends on your choice, means what variable you are selecting. what variable you are selecting, it depends on your personal choice. 8 added to a number means a number. How you will write? A number. Added means beta plus. How much you are adding? 8. What will be your result? 23. 8 added to a number is 23 means equal to 23 you will get. A number means beta we don't know, that will be x plus 8 is equal to 23. So it will be your equation. Okay, come to the next one. The sum of two numbers is 45. We don't know which are the number. Okay, sum of two numbers means first number plus second number. Okay beta, is equal to how much? 45. So see that first number I am taking x and second number I am taking y is equal to 45. So it will be your equation. It will be your equation. The difference of twice a number. Twice means beta multiplied by 2 times. 2 into a number plus, and the difference means beta minus. Difference of twice a number and 3 times of second number. 3 into second number. 3 into second number. What you will get? 15. Now see that 2 into first number, that will be x, minus 3 into second number, because that cannot be x, that will be another number. We have selecting y for this. So what you will get? 15. So what will be your equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 15. 2x minus 3y is equal to 15. So it will be your answer. Okay. Further see that 5 is added to 4 times of a number. See that 4 times of a number. Added mean beta plus 5. What you will get? 72. 4 times of a number means 4x. 4 times of a number means 4 into x plus 5 is equal to beta 72. It will be your answer. Okay. See that again I am taking. So 12 is subtracted from. Beta from always comes first. From which number you are subtracting? 5 times of a number. See that 5 times of a number. We don't know which number is there. 5 times of a number minus 12 is equal to 75. Because always keep in your mind from comes first. From comes first. I am writing here in the first right hand side also. Okay. Now see that 5 times of a number means 5x minus 12 is equal to 75 will be your answer. Okay. Now see that the sum of numbers x and 10. So sum you already know, x and 10, and sum means x plus 10 is equal to 55. Simple is there. 3 subtracted from 4 times. 4 times, I have written this wrong, just see it. 3, which part is G part? 3 subtracted from 4 times y. 4 times y beta. ठीक है. From what I told you, from comes first means 4 times y will come first. So 4y minus subtracted means minus, which will what will be subtracted? 3 is equal to 19. It will be your answer. It will be your answer. Now see that 20 times p is 100. 20 times beta times means multiply. So 20 into p is equal to 100. It means 20p is equal to 100. 20p is equal to 100. Now see that 3/4 of a number minus 5 is 14. 3/4 means beta 3/4 of a number. Of a number is equal to 14. It means 3/4x is equal to 14. Of a number means x. We don't know. 8 times a number plus 8 gives 88. 8 times of a number. Of a number means beta unknown number. 8 times of a number plus 8 is equal to 88. 8 times mean beta 8x plus 8 is equal to 88. It will be your answer. So in this way K, L, M, N and O part you will be as your homework. I am leaving those parts, so you will perform those part yourself. Now come to the question number 2 beta. State whether the following statements are numeric or algebraic. Now I am hoping that everybody of you have understood what is the meaning of numeric or algebraic. See that 44 plus 5 is equal to 49. There is no any variable is there. There is no variable, so it will be beta numeric. It will be beta numeric. So I am writing n for that. Okay. Now see that 3x minus 4 here in this statement also there is x as a variable. So what it will be? Algebraic. Minus 4 less than 2. There is no variable x, y, u, b, w, a, b, c, nothing is there. So what it will be? Numeric. Okay. Here x is there. D part 2x into 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. So it will be algebraic. It will be algebraic. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Nothing is there. So it will be numeric. It will be algebraic. So you can do this one also in this way. Now come to the question number 3. Write the following equation in the statement. Statement you have to find. So what you will do? 3x. For x what you will write? Of a number. Of a number. How many times? 3 times. So what you will write? 3 times of a number added to 15 gives how much? 25. It will be statement. As earlier statement we were converting into the algebraic form. Now algebraic form is given. We have to convert this in statement. Okay. Now come to the next beta. 5 upon 7. So what you will do? First see the numerator. 5 times of a number. 5 times of a number. Upon means beta divide. Divided by 7. Divided by 7. Okay. Gives 21. Now see that. X means a number. Okay. A number. The sum of a number. Sum of a number and 10. ठीक है, equal to 75. So you can write in your own words also, but concept should be clear. It is not necessary that your answer sheet word by word will be matched along with your statement, but your concept should be clear. Okay. So D and E part I am leaving for your homework here beta. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. Okay. And what is that question number 4 beta? You have to given one equation and you have to given value also for that, and you have to verify whether it is satisfying the equation or not. Whether it is satisfying the equation or not. See that how I am going to do it. What is that? 2x plus 5 is equal to 1. So in place of x what you will write? 3. So 2 into 3 plus 5. See that whether it is coming equal to 2 3 ja 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So it is not coming. Now left hand side when we have solved what we got? 11 is not equal to 1. So he is asking that say whether the equation is satisfied or not. So what you will write? Not satisfied. What you will write? Not satisfied. Okay. See that the B part of this one. X plus 5 is equal to 0 for x is equal to 0. Now put in place of x put 0. 0 plus 5 is not equal to. So 5 is not equal to 0. So whether it is coming, if it will come equal to 5. Okay. If it will come 0 equal to 0 in the left side, then the equation will be satisfied. But here the left side and right hand side not coming equal. So equation will not be satisfied. So what you will write? Not satisfied. What you will write beta? Not satisfied. Now see that C part. 4x is equal to 24. Write that. What is the value of 4? X is equal to beta minus 6 is given. See that. 4 in this condition they will have a sign of multiplication, 4 into minus 6, and in right side what you are getting, 24. 4 6 ja 24, but is it minus 24, not equal to plus 24, so it is also not satisfied. It is also beta not satisfied. Okay, whether their numeric value is coming equal, but here it is minus and here it is positive, so how they can be equal? They cannot be equal. So in this way it is not satisfied. Okay, one more part I am doing, that is D part, and then E part you will perform yourself. 8x is equal to 32 and x is equal to 4, means in place of x what you will put? 4. So 8 into 4, 8 4 ja 32 is equal to 32. Now you can see that this time left hand side and right hand side are coming equal, so it is satisfied. It is satisfied. So in this way beta, E part you just do in your homework. Okay, just complete up to here. Okay, just thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.